Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there today? Real quick, guys, just wanted to show you I'm sitting here. I received my package, okay, from Six Figure Stamp Club, as you can see right here. And it's leads, okay? I told you I'm using their leads. Now, they did email them to me. That's why I have my Avery labels there, where I've printed them out from the ones that was emailed, but they also mailed me my direct mail leads. So right here, as you can see from the side, if you can tell, that's 300 postcards that's going out today, okay? I am using the Six Figure Stamp Club leads for the 30-day success formula postcards that I have created, okay? So if you want to join my team in both programs, Six Figure Stamp Club, you get your leads. These are targeted leads just to you, okay? That's very important. They're not recycled, okay? These are strictly targeted for you guys, okay? So I'm gonna put the links below for the 30-day success formula and the link for Six Figure Stamp Club because you need leads, guys. This program also allows you to get stamps from everybody that joins you in Six Figure Stamp Club. They have to pay you to join, and then they will also send you stamps as well, okay? So you're going to have stamps, you're going to receive commissions, and you're going to have leads, okay? That's very important. If you're not in either program, either way, if you're looking for an easy way to make money from home, mailing postcards or letters, this is the way to go, guys. You don't have a learning curve, don't have to worry about traffic, any of that stuff, okay? Just mail cards. I'll give you a template or where to get cards from, and you can mail these things out for both programs, okay? As well as the 30-day success formula. I'm gonna put the links below for both. If you need leads for your business, if you're in a business that you love and you just seem to be struggling with it and you can't get enough people to sign up with you, you need leads, okay? So I'm gonna put the link below for Six Figure Stamp Club. Go ahead and buy you some leads, guys, and mail to these people your business offer, whatever that is, okay? So with that being said, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Go ahead and like the video, okay? Click the notification bell as well so you can be notified every time I upload new videos, okay? But this is the way to go, okay? 300 postcards going to be going out every week. The Stamp Club is coming out with one as well. I'm going to be mailing postcards for that one as well, okay? So this is the way to go. Click the link, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, give me a call. I do this full-time from home, okay? So until next time, guys, I'll see you on the next video. You guys have a blessed day.